Hi, I'm Roxanne Richardson, and I am a knitting nerd. I'm a certified master hand knitter and a certified knitting teacher. My goal is to share what I have learned about knitting with you so that you can knit better and smarter. On my knitting channel, you'll find several types of knitting videos. Technique Tuesday videos are focused on knitting techniques with specific, thorough, direct instruction and no chat. They're uploaded on, you guessed it, Tuesday. In these videos, I explain not only how to execute a technique, but why and when to use it. And I frequently compare similar techniques and explain the advantages and disadvantages of each type. Another type of video are my weekly Casual Friday podcasts. These videos are a longer format and contain a variety of information. I'll announce articles I've written for knitting magazines and new patterns I've published, but you'll also see me talk about my latest projects, including the mistakes I've made and how I fixed them, or my plans for modifying a pattern I'm just getting started on. I'll also discuss topics that are new to me, things I'm just learning about, books I find interesting, and adventures I go on. I'm a fan of knitting history, so I'm frequently knitting vintage patterns and sharing information I've discovered in old newspapers and antique knitting manuals. For all my videos, I include links down in the video description that allow you to jump from one topic to another, as well as links related to things discussed in the video, such as books, yarn, patterns, or websites of interest. I really enjoy interacting with my community, so recently I did my very first live stream Q&A, and I plan to do more in the future. By subscribing to my channel and opting for notifications, you can get my newest tips, hear about my latest knitting adventures, and find out when I'll be doing my next live stream. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.